Hello guys, again my name is Andrew of course, and today we have this product for unboxing and review, and this is the Miomare kitchen mixer tab. Let's see some settings. We have eco flow function, 2 settings, lever opening to conserve water, energy saving function in the center position, you only get cold water. 5 years warranty from Lidl, and we have tested according to the KTW and W217 chemical and microbiological tested. Okay, dimension approximately it's 5.5, 33 and 2 to 3 centimeters. Matte. Some pictures and here. 36 rotatable spot included, flow limited aerator insert, eco flow function to settings, adjustable temperature limiter, low noise 40 mm, cartridge with durable ceramic disc, body made from corrosion resistant brass. It is the matte, 2 flexible stainless steel inside included. We can see some pictures, and let's move on to find out what we have inside. Of course, inside we are going to find the manuals that will be suitable to see how you can install this kitchen mixer tab. Okay, here it is. Let's move on. This is the mixer tab. Feels very nice material. Nice. So you can take out. Rotatable. Nice. There we are. Let's see the accessories inside. We have the flexible hose for a cold and warm water. Here we have some accessories for installing this. That it will help you to drill into your kitchen countertop. You can draw a circle and then you can drill. Now you can connect here the cold and the hot water. You can see the mark hot and cold, the C and the H. You can screw them here. This you can screw it with a hand, you don't need more than that, it will be okay. And of course this Allen key, you can use it to take out that from here. Just unscrew it and you can take all this out. Then after you draw and drill into your countertop, you can install the kitchen mixer tab. How it goes? Well, something like that. After you have drilled your countertop, you can screw that here. Tight it, and then can take that out. Of course you will need to install both of these spiral inside. Then into the hole of your countertop you can put the kitchen mixer tab, and then under to your sink you can put that, and then you can screw this and tight it well to hold your kitchen mixer tab on your countertop. That is very easy, not nuclear science. And then in the end I will show you how it looks. Well guys, here we are. I have already installed it. I have put it in the left of my sink, of my countertop. I only use this for the filtration water. It comes out only the filtration water. And you can see how it looks. It cost only 29 euros, 5 years warranty from Lidl, and if you need it, just buy it. That's nice. I like it. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Like or dislike my video is your choice. Subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.